Learners and followers of my channel, welcome. We are going to look at designing 3D graphs or 3D line graphs and marked line graphs. These are very good while you're trying to plot areas. So if you are plotting some information or tracing some information or displaying some good information, it's very good to use marked or 3D uh, line graphs. So briefly, what we are looking at this time is how to create them. Like the one you see, these are what we call marked. When it reaches where it is needed to show information or to end, it's where it will mark. It will mark. You can see that it has kept on marking. You see where my star may turn. These are markers. It continue to mark. You see, it keeps marking where it has ended. So these are what we call marked line graphs. You can also use those ones instead of using just a bare line graphs. So briefly, let's go onto our menu. Onto menu, this is window 10. You may use any other version. You just go to all programs and get Microsoft Office. But for beginners, let's go to Microsoft Office. Then under Microsoft Office suite, let's pick Microsoft Excel. We're using an older version right now, but it doesn't matter. It's the same copy and fill, little changes. Let's go and try to insert data into our work. We are putting into our workbook. Let's use sheet 2. Sheet 2, let's rename it as 3D stroke 3D and marked line graphs. So upon reaching there, we can basically start to go to entering our information. We are going to enter information into our information here. Let's try to see minerals. So let's try to look at gold, silver, bronze, diamond, platinum. Let's have central, D zone, M zone, black zone. So we can continue to increase we want to see better what we're doing. um, well, uh, central. um, let's 10, 30, 5, 12. Any information that you may be entering, whether it's a performance, don't worry, you can include what you want. So in here we are entering information for our so this is what we have. It's what we have for now. So this is what we have. uh, so if this is what we could be having for now, we may continue to have this as our information. So definitely we want to go and insert what we call marked or 3D line graphs. So in here, let's select. So we have seen our information. We can reduce it so that we can get another space. So in here, let's go and create line graphs. Onto our line graphs, let's choose the marked first. So these are marked line graphs. These are what we call line graphs. So we have finished creating line graphs, which are definitely marked. So let's look at how to create 3D effects or 3D tables. So in here, we can still go onto insert, then we say 3D uh, gr line graphs. So definitely you've seen the difference. The difference is there. Uh, so these are what we call uh, the 3D line graphs. They could look a little bit complicated, but they are also very good in showing information. Definitely, we may continue to have many of our information on two different topics in Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Suite, Photoshop, and other items that we need to know in ICT. That is it for now. Thank you.